Guys, welcome back to my channel for another video. Hope you're doing well. It is Saturday, which means it's our Dollar General store 5 off 25 day. That is just a digital coupon you can clip to your accounts to get some extra savings on Saturdays. Your subtotal just needs to be at $25 before coupons, but after all, instant savings. So we're gonna go ahead and do 2 transactions today. A all paper coupon transaction, pretty much. I think there's like 1 or 2 digitals I'm using, and then the second transaction all digital. So hopefully you guys have the same coupons and digitals as me. We are also going to look around for some clearance finds. It is Dollar General's clearance event this weekend, so it started yesterday on Friday and goes through Sunday. So everything on the clearance aisle is an additional 50% off, and then the little orange tags you see around the store that may be taped on the shelves of certain products, those are 50% off. So I'm hoping to get a couple of things that may give me overage, or I can pair coupons to get a low out of pocket. It's pretty much the same stuff that was around for the last clearance event about a month ago. So I'm not too crazy about it, but we are going to see what we can go ahead and grab today. If you enjoyed this video and enjoyed Dollar General 5 off 25s, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed, I'd love to have you here, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss another upload. And we're going to go ahead and get in here. There is no Google document today because a lot of these coupons do expire today, so I figure there's not really a point to make the Google document if the coupons are expiring and you can't use these scenarios for next week. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get in here and see what we can grab today. So I noticed that the Valentine's Day hit 90% off, so I was looking at these Valentine's cards for $1. They are now 10 cents. I went ahead and grabbed 2 of them because, I don't know, I figure that my son will eventually use them in the coming years. Spotted the last Russell Stover chocolate heart. Oh, love it. Hopefully I don't lose you guys with this one. It may get confusing. We are doing the instant savings promotion where if you spend $8 on select Suave, Tresemme, Caress, and Vaseline items, you will save $2. So right there, our subtotal needs to be at $25 after the instant savings come off, but we are using the instant savings a couple of times in this transaction because we are getting only products mentioned in this promotion. As long as you hit that $8 threshold, the $2 will come off, and we will be hitting that a couple of times. I'll put the screenshot here where DG Savings with Sanders explains it the best. She is a pro at Dollar General breakdowns and all ins and outs of Dollar General. But we are going to grab 4 of these Suave Naturals, and we're going to use 2 of these BOGO coupons from the 214 Unilever. They do expire today, and the limit is 2 per transaction. So we're going to go ahead and grab 4. That'll take $5 off for each pair. So I hope I don't lose you guys because I said before it is quite confusing, but it'll make sense in the end and give us a low out of pocket. I went ahead and grabbed this Suave body wash priced at $2. We have a $1 coupon from the 214 Unilever, which makes this bottle just $1. So I threw in this CoverGirl mascara. It was on clearance for $2.70, and we have a $3 digital coupon, which would give us 30 cents in overage. So I went ahead and threw that into this transaction to apply some overage to get a lower out of pocket. This is it for that transaction. I totally forgot to mention about the Vaseline. They are $3.50 each. I grabbed 2 to use a $2 manufacturer coupon from the 214 Unilever. I also threw in the Valentine's Day cards and that CoverGirl mascara for some overage and a low out of pocket. And we also have a $1 Dollar General store digital coupon for the Suave Naturals. So after all instant savings and all coupons come off, it should be around $1.90 plus tax out of pocket. So I think that's pretty decent for all of this. It's actually more than decent. It's really great. I found these CoverGirl eye pencils. They were originally $5, but on clearance for $2.25. And we have that $3 digital coupon, which will give us 75 cents in overage. But I think I grabbed the wrong one. You guys will see that in the end, that apparently this was not the price that I thought it was. Alright, to start our second transaction, we're going to grab some Febreze car clips. They are $3 each, and we have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon, which will make it 3 for the both of them. I grabbed this Airwick starter kit at $3.35. We have a $1.50 digital, which brings this down to $1.85. The Clorox bleach is priced at $2.75, and we have a 50-cent digital coupon, which will make this guy just $2.25. So then I grabbed a Snuggle Shakes priced at $4. We have a $3 digital coupon, which makes it $1. And on this aisle, I found another couponer doing a 5 off 25. So of course I had to stop and talk to her. And then we grabbed a Safeguard hand soap priced at $3. We have a $1.50 digital coupon, which makes this just $1.50. So I found that the home decor is on sale for 50% off. Select Purple Dot. There was really nothing that was catching my eye. It was still a little high out of pocket for me, but I'm a cheapskate, so it may be a great price for you. These fleece blankets, though, were ringing up about $1.87, and I think they would be a great donation item for a food pantry or a homeless shelter. So if that's something you're interested in, go ahead and take advantage of it. I had to go ahead and get a Russell Stover egg. Of course, who am I without getting it? So that is all we are going to grab today. I went ahead and added that Russell Stover egg and that CoverGirl eyeliner to this transaction. If I've done my math right, we should be paying around $6.85 out of pocket. So hopefully everything turns out with that transaction. And then again, our first transaction is basically the instant savings promotion with the Valentine's Day clearance and the CoverGirl mascara. Here we sit again, another week without getting our Suave Naturals. So frustrated. I hate those BOGO coupons. I truly do. I hate the Suave BOGO coupons, the Axe BOGO coupons. Everybody loves it. I love the thought of it, but using them are a pain in my butt. So we did not get that transaction with the Suave and the Vaseline for the instant savings, and then I was going to throw in the Valentine's Day clearance with it. Did not get that. Left that on the counter because the cashier, it wasn't scanning. At this rate, I had already typed in my number. You know what I should have done? What I should have done is scanned the 2 Suave Naturals, scan the coupon. But then I was worried about the instant savings and then my digitals, so I don't know what I was expecting. The cashier would not just manually put them in. And at least she didn't price override it like the issue we had a couple weeks ago, because that caused a bigger issue than it should have been. And the manager came over because she asked for her, and the lady said that it wouldn't work unless I did it in a separate transaction. And I explained that I was trying to use my 525, so that wouldn't work for me. That wouldn't be a good out of pocket for me. And she was like, she said such a snarky comment to the cashier. And I tried to mind my business and P's and Q's, but she was like, don't think for the computer, let the computer do its work. The computer's not smarter than you. Just saying. I don't know. We're not going to be negative. We're not going to be negative. I came out with a transaction still. Went pretty well. We got the cleaning transaction, and then I just threw in the Valentine's Day cards with that. And the chocolates with that. What else did I throw in there? That was it. That was the only clearance finds I really found today that I really wanted. Why did I grab Valentine's Day cards? I figure when Colt's in school in about 5 or 6 years, he might need some Valentine's Day cards. Will Super Mario and Pixar be cool then? I don't know, but I don't know. Oh God. All right. I'm acting a fool. Let's get into the receipt. All right. So this transaction went pretty well. Besides, I'm noticing the CoverGirl was not actually a part of the clearance event. I grabbed the wrong one, I guess, but we are going to go through this receipt. The Febreze, $3 digital came off. The store discount is at 5 out of 25, dividing itself through each product. There's a CoverGirl eyeliner at $5. The $3 digital did come off to make it $2, but I thought this was I think I got it mixed up, and I told her to put the mascara back for the first transaction. The mascara would have gave me about 30 cents in overage, so I should not have done that. I think, yeah, that was my fault. So we have a CoverGirl eye pencil. The Airwick $3.35, $1.50 digital. The Finish $3.25, 75-cent digital. The Safeguard soap $3, $1.50 digital. That was probably my favorite deal. We needed soap anyways. These Snuggle Shakers $4, $3 digital. The Clorox Bleach $2.50, 50-cent digital. And there's my Marshmallow Heart, 12 cents. And we also got the Marshmallow Egg at 50 cents. And then the Pixar and Super Mario cards at 10 cents. So $9.67 was our subtotal, $11.22 after tax. We got a total of 12 items and saved $18.25. I still think this is really good for under $10. We got a lot of cleaning stuff, plus the clearance, and even the mistake with the CoverGirl eye pencil still came out under $10. So that is it for today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed and take advantage of this clearance event. Let me know what you guys find. I really wanted to find that Dove foaming body wash, the pump one. My store did not have any, so that kind of stinks, but what can you do? So I will talk to you guys later next week with some new deals, steals, and freebies. Bye!